To fill your Blazer Big Shot, be sure the red safety cap is attached. Hold the torch upside down. Insert the nozzle of the Blazer butane canister directly into the gas inlet valve. Be sure you have a tight connection. Press down into the torch for approximately 20 seconds. It's important not to overfill your torch. This helps maintain the proper internal pressure for peak operation. After refilling, always allow 1 minute for the newly inserted butane to stabilize before using. Please note, never fill a torch or lighter near a sink or similar surface depression. Butane gas is heavier than air and may remain present in low-lying areas or surfaces for some time. This lingering butane can ignite when a torch is activated. After 1 minute, remove the red safety cap and turn the gas flow knob to the left position to release the gas. You'll hear an audible hiss of escaping butane. Press the ignition button to ignite the torch. After ignition, the flame is adjustable via the gas flow knob. To extinguish your Big Shot, turn the gas flow knob completely to the right. Be sure the gas flow is completely stopped and reattach the red safety cap. Always allow the torch to cool before storing. Be sure to keep the included Big Shot instruction manual and never allow anyone who has not read this manual to operate the Blazer Big Shot.
PowerProbe's microtorch and microtorch kit has many applications. It uses butane gas that you can get at your local store. Use it in the shop, home, or in the field. It's quick to ignite and the flame adjusts easily from 1/2 inch to 2.5 inches, reaching temperatures up to 2500 degrees. The kit includes adapters and attachments, which quickly convert this microtorch into a powerful heating and soldering tool. To use the microtorch for the first time, simply fill the torch with butane. Ensure the gas control lever is fully closed and the igniter's safety switch is in the lock position. Insert the butane container nozzle vertically into the filling valve and hold for 5 seconds, then remove the nozzle. To ignite the microtorch, first be sure that the air holes on the air control sleeve are fully open. Move the igniter safety switch up. Open the gas control lever until you hear gas escaping. Now, press the ignition button to ignite the flame. The flame size can be adjusted by turning the gas control lever up or down. The air control sleeve will fine-tune the flame intensity. When using the heat blower on shrink tubing for wire harness repair, use the deflector to protect neighboring wires. The microtorch also provides flameless heat when using accessories. Here's how it works. Inside the flameless tip adapter, you will see the porcelain element. Install the flameless tip adapter to the microtorch and tighten the screw. When you first ignite the torch, a flame will heat the porcelain element. Turn off the gas to extinguish the flame and immediately turn the gas back on. Now the hot element is being supplied with butane only to maintain a temperature of up to 950 degrees. The flameless tip adapter is used with the hot blower tip, the hot knife tip, and the solder tip. The microtorch can even be turned upside down for working in various positions. The kit includes the microtorch, plastic base, rosin core solder, attachments, and adapters, all packed into a protective blow-molded case, making the PowerProbe microtorch the ultimate heating and soldering solution.